Hi, this is Jeff from Buildy TV, and today we're going to show you a one-unit bedroom here at Tivoli Garden Residences. This is about 37 square meter here. This is a fully furnished unit, and as we can see, there's a microwave here, a refrigerator, and for this unit, they provided a induction for cooking and range hood and some kettle. Let me tell you the good things about this condominium. They provided a grease trap, and this is good because all those scraps food can trap in the grease trap, and then you can remove it weekly. And the good thing about these tiles is easy to clean if you have some oil spilled and food debris. Let's go to the range hood. They also provided the exhaust pipe. Here's our laundry area, and they provided a washing machine. Let's go to the bathroom. You can see that they need some improvement over here. Just like this ceiling, most probably they have some leaks and from above, and then we need to repair for the ceiling.
Yeah.
As you can see, our shower head here is built in, and if there's a problem, we might have difficulty in repairing the shower head. One thing I noticed that you need to cover this up to prevent from house pests entering this area. For this dining area, my recommendation is we put some thicker curtains or blinds for extra privacy. You can use a frosted sticker here and also this part. We can put some frosted sticker here for privacy and some rubber fittings here to prevent the odor from smoking entering the bedroom. In this bedroom, as you can see, there's a beam over the headboard, and according to feng shui, it's a bad feng shui. This is again Jeff. Please like and subscribe Buildy TV.